Hello everyone, so welcome to the continuation of our really model viewer project. Okay, so in our previous lesson we learned to create the nav links and then the logo and then some hero text. So in this lesson, okay, we have to click on our style, the CSS. Okay, and remember model viewer already comes with these text, these codes. Okay, so we want to customize it for ourselves. So first what I'm going to do is I want every text in my documents, okay, or in my website to have a particular font family or font style. So to do that, I'm going to click on the asterisk, then curly braces, then I'll type font family, then I like this Korea new, this particular font family. Okay, so this font should change so you can see what we have here. Okay. Then what we'll do next is we want to resize our logo. It's too big. So let me come here. Then let's check the name of our logo. Did we give our class? Okay. So in order to customize our logo, I have to click here, type class, and then I'll give this a name called logo. Okay, so now in our style.css, I can reference it with a period, that's a full stop, okay, and then type the logo. If it were to be an ID, okay, an ID, I would have used a pound sign. Okay, so kindly get a difference. Okay, we use a pound sign for IDs, and then we use the period or the full stop for classes. Okay, so in our this time we want to give it a width. So our width is going to be 30 pixels, 30 px. Okay, so where is our approach? Sorry. Okay, so you can see we have it here, 30 pixels. I'll also give it a height of 30 pixels, 30 px. Okay. Then let's see. Okay, if you look at the mouse pointer, okay, the mouse pointer is a pointer, so we want to change it to cursor to be a pointer. So when you want mouse over, you can see the icon has changed to an arm. Okay. Then you can see here it's attached to the edge of the um, our web page. We don't want that, so we need a margin. We need to give it a margin just so we have some space in here. So we're going to give it a margin of so margin left. Okay, so there's the left side of our margin. So margin left, let's say 10 px, 10 pixels. Sorry, 10, 10 pixels. Okay, yeah. So we have 10 pixels. That's fine for this particular one. So now what we want to do is to work on our links. So first what we want to do, we want to take these bullets and then these text decoration out. So I'm going to click here and then we're going to type li, so our list, okay, our list, and then we are going to type what's list style. Okay, so list style will set it to none. Okay, so our bullets are in there. Now we want to work on the links. Okay, so the underlines, we don't want them. Okay, so in our index, let's see, so we have our list, and then remember they are inside what's an anchor tag. Okay, they're inside an anchor tag. So our list, okay, so first let me just copy this first since it's inside this container. So I'm going to our CSS, and since it's an ID, I'll use a period. So a period, and then we'll use what's the A for the anchor tag. Okay, as you see here. So our class and then our anchor tag. Okay. So what we are going to do now is to type text decoration. And we'll set our text decoration to none. Okay, so you can see the underline is vanished. Then we would give our font size, let's say 1.5 rem, 1.5 rem. Okay, 1.5 rem. Then we can give it a color. Okay, but we'll change the color later to this particular color, which is white. That's when we insert the background image. Okay, so now we want to make them ordered or to align horizontally. So to do that, let's come here. Okay, and then I'm going to type nav. Okay, so nav. Now remember the reason why we are not using periods and then pound sign for these ones. Okay, the nav and the likes. Okay, so nav is by default something that the HTML knows, the browser knows. Okay, for the classes, there are things that we actually um, are telling the browser. So these are things that are new to the browser. But nav, header, and body, they are all something that the browser knows. Okay, which is why the nav we are not going to reference it with a pound sign or a period. So nav, which is use display flex. Okay, so we want to use CSS flex for this. So display flex. Okay, and then so you can see it's aligned horizontally. Okay. Um, we're going to give it a padding top um, of first. Let's wait. Okay, let's take this out. And then let's work on this. Okay, so let's work on this first. So I'm going to have nav UL. Okay, so the ordered list. Okay, so the ordered list, which is this the list. Okay, we are going to do display flex. Okay, so you can see the flex horizontally. And then justify contents. Let's use end. Now the reason why it's not going to the end is we need to give it an order. Okay, so let's give it an order of let's say 2. Okay, so you saw what happened. So yeah, so we have our order. So our home, and these ones are here now. Okay. So now we can come back to this one. And then let's say justify content space between. This is space between. Okay. So it's giving us a space between the this and then the logo. Then we can give it we can give our logo a top margin of 10. So where's our logo? Our logo, okay. Or better still, would work on it. Let's see where to do that. Let's set where's our logo? Give it an order of 1. Okay. Order. So that's fine. Okay. Okay, so now let's work on the spacing. So the spacing, so with the spacing, we are going to use nav link or nav links, and then we'll use the li. We give it a padding of 0 px and then 20 px. So this is just a shortcut for top and then bottom, and then this left and right. So we're giving our left and right 20 pixels, okay, each. Okay. And then the top 0. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson. Learn to style everything for our hero section.